Hey, how's it going out there in Dave's Cooking Show land? The summer, that son of a bitch, is right around the corner. And with it, you know what comes. You've got the family cookouts. You've got the fucking family reunions. You've got the fucking, you got to come up with a pasta salad. Unless you're going to be like Uncle Lou and just, ruin everything on the grill. Well, don't worry. Old Dave is here with a classic, the Manhattan Deli Salad. What you want to do is 16 ounces of penne or the pasta of your choice, a cup of pitted olives sliced. I just took a 5-ounce jar of sliced olives, drained it, and threw it in there. A yellow pepper chopped. Now, you can do this one of two ways. I decided to go with pepperoni. But you can do a quarter cup of hard salami diced, but I just decided to go with pepperoni. Now, if you can't find them, you can use about a quarter cup of red onions, but I decided to take 2 shallots and dice them up and throw them in this dish. There's also a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of chopped parsley, some, basically, they say 4 dill spears, basically 1 dill pickle sliced. I decided to take a bunch of baby dill pickles and slice them up. As you can see, I'm adding the Parmesan now. And then 3/4 of a cup of your favorite dressing. And what you do with this son of a bitch is you stir it all around. And stir it, and stir it. And you can see, I put it in a plastic bowl. Well, basically, you're going to seal it and then leave it in the fridge for at least an hour. And then, bring it to Uncle Lou's barbecue. And that's literally all this salad is. You've seen all the ingredients. You've seen them all. And you see me screw up with a Parmesan cheese wedge. So anyway, that's Manhattan Deli Salad. Done. All right, God damn it. It should look something like this. What? There's not that much more to tell. Anyway, done.